Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something I get asked about all the time: portable practice amps. Finding the right mini amp can be a game changer. It's not just about having something small to toss in a bag, it's about a tool that inspires you to play more. On the road, warming up backstage, practicing quietly in your apartment. The tech in these tiny boxes has gotten seriously impressive. Not buzzy, toy-like anymore. Modern mini amps are legit. We're talking rechargeable batteries, Bluetooth connectivity, and analog tone circuits that respect your instrument. In a market flooded with options, it's easy to get lost. That's why we spent weeks testing dozens of them. We put them through their paces to find the ones that actually deliver. We're looking for the best combination of tone features, build quality, and value. It's about that sweet spot where convenience doesn't sacrifice feel. A great practice amp should make you want to play, not wish you were on the main rig. And as always, the links of all products in the video are in the description. These links will give you the best prices, so make sure that you use them. First up, we have the flatsons FBA-10. Right away, this thing hooks you with its crystal clear analog tone. Vintage style grill cloth. It just looks classic. It's not trying to be a high-gain monster. It's focused on delivering a pure, responsive, clean tone that feels really good to play. When you switch to the drive channel, you get a nice, usable crunch that's perfect for blues and classic rock rhythm tones. Demonstration guitarists' hands reach in and flip the channel switch. Close, smooth motion. It's a very musical-sounding little box. For our scoring, the flatsons FBA-10 gets a solid 8.8 out of 10. The value here is exceptional. At a list price of $39.99, especially when you can find it with a 29% discount, you are getting an incredible amount of amp for your money. It punches way above its weight class in terms of both sound quality and features, making it a frontrunner for anyone who values pure tone in a portable package. Let's get into the specs. This is a 10-watt amp, clean channel, drive channel. A huge plus is the USB-C rechargeable battery, giving you about 6 hours of play time. It features a 3.5mm headphone out for silent practice and an AUX in, so you can jam along with backing tracks from your phone. But where it really shines for a modern player is the inclusion of Bluetooth 5.3. This lets you stream audio wirelessly, which is incredibly convenient. The analog frequency response is rated from 100 Hz to 20 kHz, which explains that full, rich sound. It's also super compact at just 152 by 75 by 99 millimeters and weighs only 580 grams. It's small enough to fit in any gig bag. Now, a quick note on performance. We did notice that when the battery gets very low, or if you're playing while it's charging, the drive channel can introduce a little bit of hiss. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something to be aware of. The flatsons FBA-10 is our top recommendation for travelers and players who need a reliable practice tool that doesn't sacrifice tone. If you appreciate a great-sounding analog clean channel and want modern features like Bluetooth and USB-C charging in a stylish portable package, this is the one to get. The combination of vintage aesthetic, solid build, and genuinely good sound makes it a standout. It feels like a real amp, just smaller. The responsiveness to your playing dynamics is something you don't often find at this price point. It's an inspiring tool for woodshedding or just having fun. If you're interested in that classic tone on the go, check out the link for the flatsons FBA-10 in the description below. It's a fantastic little amp that delivers on all fronts, making it an easy recommendation for anyone serious about their practice time. Next on our list is the AKLOT Volt-XII. The first thing that grabs you with this amp is its beautiful walnut wood finish. It looks less like a piece of gear and more like a piece of stylish furniture for your desk, but don't let the good looks fool you. This thing puts out a surprisingly big and full sound for a 10-watt amp. It proves that you don't have to settle for a cheap plastic box to get portability. In terms of scoring, the AKLOT Volt-XII earns a strong 8.5 out of 10. Priced at just $39.99, it offers a unique blend of aesthetic appeal and solid performance that is tough to beat. It's for the player who cares about how their gear looks as much as how it sounds. This amp delivers on both counts, making it a great value proposition in the mini-amp space. Diving into the specs, you get 10 watts of power with a simple clean drive button to switch between your tones. The 2000 mAh rechargeable battery provides around 6 hours of continuous playtime, which is pretty standard and very practical. It also features Bluetooth for wireless audio streaming, with a respectable range of about 15 meters, an AUX input, and a headphone output for silent practice sessions. One of the most impressive things is its weight. At just about 1.25 pounds, or around 560 grams, it's incredibly lightweight, making it an effortless addition to your setup. Whether you're a street performer who needs something easy to carry, or you just want a great-sounding, unobtrusive amp for your desk or bedroom, the AKLOT is a fantastic choice. The tone is warm and pleasant. The clean channel is full-bodied. It's not going to replace your tube stack, obviously, but for what it is, the sound is articulate and enjoyable. The single tone knob is surprisingly versatile, allowing you to shape your sound from dark and mellow to bright and cutting. So, why buy this one over the others? The AKLOT Volt-XII is for the aesthetically conscious musician. If you want an amp that looks as good as it sounds and will blend seamlessly into your home or studio environment, this is it. It's perfect for street players who need to be heard without lugging heavy gear, and it's an ideal companion for bedroom practice. The wooden enclosure isn't just for looks, it likely contributes to the warm, resonant tone of the amp. It feels more substantial and less toy-like than many of its plastic competitors. This attention to design detail, combined with solid electronic features, makes it a very compelling package for the price. Now for something a little different. The LEKATO JA05G is all about maximum functionality in the smallest possible package. This tiny amp comes with 4 built-in effects. You can literally hang it from your guitar's strap button. It's the definition of a plug-and-play solution, designed for ultimate convenience and portability. For its incredible feature set at a micro size, the LEKATO JA05G scores a 7.9 out of 10. You can often find it for just $23.98. The value is off the charts. It's a multi-effects unit and an amp all in one for less than the price of a single stomp box. Let's break down the specs. It's a 5-watt amp, which is plenty for personal practice. Clean. Distortion. Overdrive. Reverb. You can dial in a surprising range of tones with these options. It also has Bluetooth for audio playback, so you can jam along with your favorite songs or backing tracks wirelessly. The internal battery is rechargeable and gives you about 6 hours of playtime. It features a standard 6.35mm plug that connects directly to your guitar's output jack, eliminating the need for a cable. Its compact, hang-on-your-guitar design means you can walk around the house and practice without being tethered to anything. A quick but important warning from the manufacturer: they recommend using a 5-volt 2-amp charger only. Using a different charger could potentially damage the unit, so make sure you use the right power source to keep it running smoothly. This is common for smaller electronics, so it's good practice to follow the guidelines. So, who is this amp best for? The LEKATO JA05G is the perfect choice for the guitarist who wants effects on the go without the hassle of a pedal board. It's ideal for silent practice with headphones, distortion overdrive, reverb. It's the ultimate grab-and-go practice tool. The ability to blend effects right on the unit is fantastic for learning how different sounds interact. While the 5-watt speaker is small, the real strength of this device is its headphone output, turning any pair of headphones into a versatile virtual rig. It's an incredible learning tool for beginners and a convenient practice gadget for seasoned players. If you're looking for the most compact, feature-packed practice solution out there, the LEKATO is hard to ignore. Check the description for the link to learn more. It's a tiny powerhouse that brings a lot of fun and functionality for a very small price. Last but certainly not least, the Sondery SoundBase mini-amp. What immediately sets this one apart is its use of dual speakers. It aims to provide a wider, fuller sound than the typical single-speaker design. Combine that with its impressive battery life, and you have a very compelling practice amp. It has a clean, modern look and a straightforward control layout that's easy to use. The Sondery SoundBase earns a solid 8.2 out of 10 in our review, at a price of just $29.99. The dual speakers and extended battery life are standout features. Let's look at the specifications. This is a 5-watt amp, but the dual speakers help it sound bigger than its rating suggests. Clean, overdrive, gain, tone, master. It's equipped with Bluetooth 5.0 for wireless audio streaming. Battery, 3.7 volts, 2200 milliamp hours, up to 7 hours of playtime. It also has a 3.5mm headphone jack that mutes the main speakers when you plug in. Quick charging note: the amp uses a USB-A to USB-C cable, which is included. The manufacturer recommends using this cable or a similar one to ensure proper charging. So, who is the Sondery SoundBase best suited for? This amp is ideal for the player who wants a lightweight, gig bag-friendly practice amp with a bit more sonic spread and extra long battery life. The simple, effective controls make it easy to dial in a good tone quickly. Gritty overdrive. The dual speaker configuration really does make a difference. It creates a slightly more immersive sound field, which can make practicing feel more engaging. It moves a bit more air, giving the low end a little more presence than you'd expect from an amp this small. If you need a no-fuss practice amp that you can charge once and use for days, the Sondery SoundBase is a brilliant option. It's a workhorse. To grab one for your gig bag, find the link in the description below. So, there you have it. 4 fantastic mini-amps, each with its own unique strengths. The pure analog tones of the flatsons, the stylish design of the AKLOT, the all-in-one effects of the LEKATO, the dual speaker power of the Sondery. The world of portable practice amps has never been better, and any one of these could be the perfect tool to keep you playing and improving, no matter where you are. The key is to match the features to your specific needs as a player. Choosing the right one really comes down to what you value most. Is it pure, unadulterated tone? Is it a beautiful design that complements your space? Or is it the sheer convenience of having multiple effects in your pocket? Each of these amps excels in a different area, but all of them deliver incredible value and make practice more accessible and fun. They prove that good things really do come in small packages. To wrap it all up, our best pick overall for its incredible balance of tone, features, and value is the flatsons FBA-10. For the absolute best budget pick that punches way above its weight, you can't go wrong with the LEKATO JA05G. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to 4 Best Picks for more reviews. All the product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.